How do you feel about our first video?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it was good, right? I'm gonna scare Eden. Boo! What are we doing?
We're gonna fucking scare Briley.
We're gonna try to scare Briley. Do you think it'll work?
Maybe.
It'll work.
It's fucking cold as fuck.
Is she coming this way? Go over here. She's go over here. You see her? Okay. Okay. I can see your whole ass. Okay, where should I crawl? You should let me jump down. Okay.
I'm so scared. I'm
You
so
should have
scared.
been recording. We're going to Walmart. Why are we going to Walmart?
Something else to
To
do.
make stupid puns? Hey. I'm traditional. I'm ready.
Gee, look at all that pasta.
What does that say?
Man, which should I get? Where does all that spam go from your emails?
I don't know. Ah! Hey girl, are you thick and hearty?
Cause I can't hold more sauce with my bean. You can nut in my butt. When she bat down on your balls and she crunches them berries.
It's not scary. It's gonna get them all. Oh my god, those look so good. Yum.
Dude, they got like apple and blueberry flavor. I'm so ready.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Oh my god.
I went to the store the other day and they didn't give me my change back and honey made me mad. Yes. Whoopsie.
Cesar's Nicole's home delight. Hey, you want goldfish, right?
Yes.
Yeah, right? They're good. Like, good yummy snacks.
So good. I fucking love goldfish, man. It's
Literally
close.
can't.
The border about whether or not all these puns are making are any good.
Ah, it's a bomb! Oh my god, I think we're gonna throw that. Hey man, you got some Xanax?
Nah, man. Got something better. Got Flanax.
Oh shit.
Welcome. So I had to go to court because they charged me with battery.
Burger disappear. Was like, dude, just wait for 4th of July for the Yotter Daughters.
To Yotter Daughters.
Yeah, I was like, what?
Yotter Daughters?
Yeah, the Yotter Daughters. I'm like, what the hell's a
What
Yotter
does that
Daughter?
mean?
And he's like, well, like a bunch of old rich men on their yachts come in for 4th of July.
Oh.
And their daughters, are just being cooped up on a yacht.
Okay.
Have a wild night. I was like, ooh, Yotter Daughter.
Okay.
On the yacht? Or do you have to take them off the yacht?
I think you would probably take them off the yacht unless their parents
Right, 'cause
were
they
off
are.
the. I don't know.
Right.
So I got Tinder for it to prepare.
To prepare for the Yotter
good.
Daughters.
The Yotter
Yes.
Daughters. So it's 4th of July. Swiping through Tinder around in mid-afternoon, like 2 or 3ish, and got a match with this chick, like Stella.
Okay.
And I'm like, ooh, like, you gonna see, like, the fireworks show tonight? She's like, yeah, like, have anyone to watch it with, So, plan is, she wanted to be, like, all fun and flirty, be like, you have to come find me, though. And I'm like, okay, like,
fuck?
yeah, I'm like, this dock is fucking huge. Like, there's, like, 1,000 boats on this dock, okay?
Yeah.
And I'm like, I need, like, a hint,
It's a good test, though. Like, how much do you really care?
Yeah.
You really gonna come find me or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So So I asked her for a hint, and her hint was Popeye.
Popeye.
That was her
Like
only hint.
sailor?
Yeah,
Or like
Popeye.
chicken?
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't
What's
either
going on?
one.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, I guess like, what, the boat's name is Popeye?
Okay,
That
yeah.
was my thought.
It's a good guess.
So went on
Okay.
the dock, and I looked straight up for 2 hours for a boat called Popeye. Like, this is a huge dock, y'all. Like,
You're going
No,
down
yeah,
the
no, I
boat.
believe
Oh.
you.
and like, eventually I get like service again because it's so far north, you don't get service.
Right.
Fuck AT&T.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
And-
yeah.
She's like, yo, like, where the fuck are you? I'm like, I'm looking for Popeye, god damn it.
Oh my
Figure
God.
out your fucking riddle.
And then at that moment, I remember Popeye was this famous seal on the island
Oh.
where it had one eye.
Oh, okay.
And the people kept feeding it so much that they had to tell them, like, stop because it was getting so fat.
Yeah.
And as it turned out,
Fattening
Popeye
the
was a
seal.
girl,
Okay.
and Popeye Jr. came.
Oh.
And they had a statue made for Popeye.
Oh, that's
So she was at the statue.
Oh.
So I went to the statue of Popeye, and she wasn't there. I was like, damn it.
What the fuck?
So I'm just like, the fireworks are about to start. So I like walk
You're like, fuck it.
to like the docks.
Just having fun.
And all of a sudden, like these really tall chicks walk by, and they're like, "Oh my God, are you looking for Stella?" And I'm like, "Who the hell are you?" Like,
Yes.
yeah. And they're like, "Oh, she's like really shy, but like, she's really cute." And I'm like, "Oh no."
Oh no.
Like, they have to say that she's cute. You know, she's really
Yeah.
nice.
So were you like catfish?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Yeah, and they're like, she's wearing like this blue top or something. And suddenly like this chick comes out, and I'm like, oh, I think that's her. And I was like, hey, like, are you Stella? And she's like, yeah, like with a huge smile, full of braces.
Oh, hell yeah,
And I'm
okay.
like,
You're like, fuck.
oh,
Okay.
no, Stella,
Stella.
you did me dirty.
Stella.
You done me dirty, girl.
Yeah. So like we watched the fireworks or whatever, and like I don't know, like kind of cuddling, like arm is sort of around her.
Okay.
But, you know.
Just kind of something.
Yeah, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure like nothing's gonna happen.
Right.
Right.
So like fireworks end, we get up, and she walks like very close to me, like rubbing like my arm kind of like aggressively against her side.
Okay.
And, like,
Okay.
put your arm around me again. I'm like, oh, okay. So I'm like, it's like, what do you want to do? She's like, oh, I don't know. I might like want to see like the island a little bit. I'm like,
Yeah.
it is pitch black dark outside. You're not gonna see anything.
Anything.
But I'm like, okay.
See the island.
So I take her to like this one beach, like sloppily set up my hammock so we have a chair so we don't like sit in like this gross sand.
Right.
I've never seen a sandy beach, by the way. It's all gross.
Really?
Yeah, I've never been to a sandy beach.
Okay.
Sandy Beach?
Yeah.
Aren't they all sandy?
No.
So, like,
Rocky
rocky,
Beach?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. I was like, what
So
beaches are you at?
Okay.
we're in
Yes.
like the hammock and we're like kind of like, you know, arms sort of around her. And she is talking so goddamn much.
Oh
Like
my God.
I can't even say a single word, you know?
How is
Yeah.
your dog? Okay.
Yeah. Like
I did that too. Oh, fuck. Shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah. It gets to the point where she starts bragging about how smart she is.
Oh my God.
And how, just for fun one time, she calculated the circumference of the sun based
That's
on its
so
mass and rotation.
Lame.
And I was like,
What a nerd.
no, cool, you know?
Yeah.
Like, nothing's gonna happen.
Want to calculate the size of this dick?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm like really not into it. So I'm
Right.
like, yeah, nothing's gonna happen.
Okay.
So I'm like, oh man, it's like late, gotta work tomorrow. I didn't.
Right.
Like, so we head back. She's like, oh, I guess. Like, head back and like park the truck, and like she's not getting out of the truck, you know?
What the
And
fuck?
I'm like,
Oh.
what the hell?
Get out,
man?
bitch.
We're
Like,
here.
God damn it! Like, we're done. This is over.
For being so smart, she sure can't take a hit.
I know.
Like, fuck.
Yeah, the fuck.
Shit.
So I'm like, okay, what the hell? Like, trying to make a move, and she's just talking, like, trying to, like, end it, and she, like, keeps talking and, like, stays. So I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah.
So eventually I'm like, fuck it, let's just try it. And I like fucking lean in and kiss her.
You're like, God damn it, she's not okay.
And it was the worst goddamn kiss I've ever had.
Really?
Oh my god, like
Wait,
I
how
can't
old,
even explain.
how
Like
old
I
was
don't
this
even
girl?
think she's 18.
Okay.
I don't even think she like moved her lips at all.
Now's your
Goddamn.
time to shine, Gordon.
I feel like it'd be better if you were up higher, because you could put your feet in between these bars. Right? And hang on.
Yeah.
Are they allowed to touch the green though? With my feet.
Oh, really? When did we come up with those rules?
But you can hold on to the top thing at least.
Look
right?
at him.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh,
Are you gonna fall?
I might fall.
He's gonna fall.
Damn.
God damn it, he did it. Yay, Gordon. What are we doing?
Going to Glenwood
Why are we going to Glenwood?
to adventure.
To adventure? Yeah, it'll be fun. Okay, where are we going? Marshall's. Why are we going to Marshall's? To get discounted makeup because I'm a broke bitch. Yeah. And it's literally like just open. How exciting. Holla. You got me.
Oh.
Sorry, I just don't know how to hold it.
No, it's
What are we
okay.
doing? We're at Dairy Queen. And I got food because like I'm
I got
hungry
food.
bitch. Oh yeah, she got cheese curds.
I just didn't get ice cream.
But I got like Hello Food and ice cream.
He didn't ask us what kind of ice cream you wanted.
I think they only have vanilla.
No,
I think
it's
they
Dairy
do.
Queen. They dip shit. And they
Well,
have
yeah,
twist
but-
in chocolate.
But you would like say like you want it dipped or some shit.
Okay.
Because if you get it dipped, it's more expensive.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna try to scare Eden. Boom! God damn it.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
What are you doing? Dude, I was gonna use that as the outro. What the fuck?
Wasn't that the outro?
Dude, the outro was the last one. I was gonna use that.